Okay, my friends, so you've watched the video on YouTube, you've clicked the link in the description area, and now you want to know how to actually download your free trend scanning indicator. Okay, so this is the indicator you want here. It actually has two indicators that you need to upload onto your platform, and I'm going to show you how to exactly how to access it here now in this video. So below this video there will be a button that says access my indicator. Just click that, enter your email, and you'll be directed over to the website to actually create an account so you can actually access the indicator. Okay, so just do that now and head over, and you will be logged into, once you've created your account, you'll be logged into an account like this. Okay, so you just create your your name. Make sure you save your username and password. Okay, and these are the indicators here. So the trend detector indicator and the XAUUSD trend scanner indicator. So you'll just want to right click on that and save as, or just double click on them to download. Save them in your desktop. Okay, if you already know how to put an indicator onto your MT4 platform, so you don't really need to watch this video, you can head over and do it now. So once you've got them downloaded onto your computer, onto your desktop, just go into your MT4 platform, and top left, just select file. You want to locate open data folder. Okay, and just on the desktop, just screw your desktop, select the two indicators, go to MQL4, click it. So copy your two indicators from desktop, go to MQL4, let this load. Just click once on indicators, right click, and paste. Okay, very simple process. And next we'll go over to the platform. So just close your MT4 platform and reopen it. And I'm going to show you the actual settings on the indicator. Okay, so trend scanner indicator, what you need to do is simply go here and edit. Okay, there is a few, if you want to play around with a few things. This here is an MA, a moving average filter that you can do. These are the settings for, so you just leave the settings standard. You select your time frames. Okay, for this method, like we said, was the 1 hour, 4 hour daily. You can play around. You can use this method, use the scanner for all time frames and different methods that you trade. It's just a free indicator that I'd like to give you. Okay, and down here, okay, so it's important to put in your symbols, and if there's any prefix or suffix, because some brokers will have a plus on the end of their asset, or then maybe have some other prefix, or some brokers have something at the start. So depending on what your broker has, make sure you have the exact same symbol, and make sure it's in capitals, it's all written the same, so the actual indicator can locate the pair. Okay, so add all the pairs that you want to trade. Okay, I've got 26 added, and select OK, and it should pop up like that there. Okay, so that's the trend scanner set up for you. You can now download, you can now access and start playing around with this method and strategy. Again, if you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Click the button below now to download your free indicator. Again, thanks for watching. Looking forward to hearing your success. Will over to fxace.com.